Man, we ain't even caught one single fish yet.
Nope.
A lot of misses though. Oh, I feel it right here. Get the frog in. Oh! Perfect. Perfect.
I got crank.
Easy one too. I got him. I'll flip him. I think it's pike, huh? No, it's bass. Oh, it's a nice bass. Get in here. Oh, it's a biggin, bro. It's a biggin. It's a biggin, bro. Guys, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. And welcome to Crank Dat Bait Fishing, because there's gonna be more of this today in the video. All right, guys. Woo! First fish of the day. I was throwing a big frog. I got a lot of misses, but I was like, screw it. We're gonna throw on some smaller frogs, and this giant freaking toad came up and bit it, guys. Woo! Let's get a weight on this guy. Woo! Look at this guy, boys. He just came in and sucked out. That was a small fish because he just came in slowly and sucked it up. But it's a freaking big one. Let's get a weight on this, guys. Let's see what we got here, boys. Woo!
Oh, 4.8, 10, 9.
410, boys. 410. First fish of the day. I'd say it's gonna be a great day, boys. Get this release on this big boy. Let's get him over here. Try to get this release here. All right, boys, he's going in. It's just slowly went in. All right, guys, if you guys are enjoying the content, make sure you guys hit that like button because it's about to heat up right now. Also, I have Jeremiah here with me. You guys already met him. He's subbing in for Chris today. So, should be a good day. You ready to catch some biggins?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Oh, shoot.
Oh, what?
Oh, frick.
You're over here.
Well, of course, guys. Too hype and I got the frog stuck, guys.
What happened? Last night?
Yeah. This is what I want you not to do, and I did it. We're good, we're good.
Oh, I got one.
Got one? Oh, nice, dude. Come right here, come right here. I'll grab him for you. Yeah, I got him. Yeah, let's go, baby.
Yeah.
This is Jeremiah's dink of the day. Second fish of the day, boy. Here you go. You got him?
Yeah.
Get in there.
All right,
There
you
you
go.
go. All right, you want to get the release?
Yes.
All right, let's go ahead.
All right. Goodbye, little one.
Oh, look at him. He's gonna jump up. Oh, nice. Good job, man.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's keep it up. That one? Nice, dude. Another one. Jeremiah's hooked up. Let's keep pulling him. Oh yeah, another dinker, baby.
Oh, dang.
Come here, bro, right here. Oh, just pull him up, Yep, just pull him up that way. Good job, dude. Let's go. Got a tiny fish here. Awesome, man. On a Cinco. Let's go. Hold him up. Let's go. All right, let's get the release.
All right, see ya, man. Oh, no, the water's warm.
Yeah. Nice job, man.
Yes.
That looks fun. Look at that huge slide, guys. That looked like it'd be fun to go down during the summer. It's kind of too cold to go down now. You got one?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, dude. Get him. Hooked up on a long one here. Put him in the net. All right. Well, You got a pike. What do you think about that?
It's okay.
I'll help you get him on.
Alright, see ya, buddy.
Yo, what's up guys? Just a little update for you guys. So we fished this whole side over here behind me. We hit docks, hit lily pads. I think there's like another stretch of lily pads on the other side of the lake, so we're gonna make a run over there and see if we can catch another big one. Whew. That 410 largemouth bass, that got me shaking. But we'll see you over there, all right? Let's go.
Yeah, we're gonna fish this and go all the way around. Got one. Yeah, it's a small one. First cast, boys. Oh, not bad.
Not bad.
About one pounder.
Decent size. They're pretty decent.
Oh, he choked that. Look at that, guys. That's how you want them to eat it. There we go. All right, release them.
Come on.
There's a fish.
Oh gosh.
Oh, that's a pike.
Oh, dang, is that a BIGGIN?
Oh, wait, what?
What is that?
How did I get him like this? What the? Guys, look how I hooked him, dude. What the heck? All right, let's try to get him out. There we go.
Dude, how did you hook him like that? I got it.
There we go.
What the heck?
He's biting. Okay, there we go.
Dude, how did you hook him like that?
I don't even know, bro. My reactions are too fast. Yeah, there's Pike City back here.
Zero bass. We fished all that and we caught 2 pike. Definitely Pike City back here. We were fishing top water and everything that was biting was just pike. So we're gonna move out back to the main lake and we're gonna try to fish some deep structure, some drop offs, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Let's go get them.
All right, y'all, we're gonna try to fish this drop off. See if we can make it happen. Oh, there's one.
Oh, there you go. I got it. Can you do it?
Oh yeah, it's a decent one. I got him.
Oh, yeah.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen.
There we go.
I let him go.
1 pounder. Make him look big. Put him close to the camera, but he's not that big. He's actually only this big. But yep, there we go. Caught him offshore. Not bad.
All right, go for it.
Oh.
See ya. That's a fish. I got
What's going
it.
on, guys?
Oh.
If you made it this far, I just want to say thank you. Today was a pretty successful day. What do you think of today, Jerma?
Yeah, pretty good. Yeah.
We caught one nice 4 pounds and 10-ounce bass, absolute biggin, as our first fish of the day. It was a little bit slow after that, but we caught a few nice like 1 pounders, 2 pounders, just some dinks. But overall, we still caught numbers, so that's pretty cool. Can't forget about those pike, you know. We caught a few of those pikes too. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the action in the future. That's gonna be it for us though. See you in the next one. Peace.